visit our website. Under My Accounts, click Login. Enter your username and password. Click Sign In and you will enter in a dashboard section. Scroll down and click on your plan. Click on Start Learning button. Click on this button to maximize the screen. You will get all AI tools on the left. Click on MCQ Generator. Scroll down. Select your board. Then select your class. After that, select your subject. Then enter your topic name and click on Generate button. And in some seconds, you will get MCQs. Thank you for watching.